Welcome back. This is George, the GMAT tutor here. Today's talk is on idioms. You would see idiomatic expressions in the GMAT. If you are able to identify these expressions, you will be able to eliminate answer options easily. These sentences will have wrong idiomatic structures. So show attention to detail and identify these idioms. When we look at idioms, there are two elements we should focus on. Number one, the prepositions. Number two, the sentence structures. Let me explain these elements. Bengal-born writer, philosopher and educator Rabindranath Tagore had the greatest admiration for Mohandas Gandhi, the person and also a politician. But Tagore had been skeptical of Gandhi's form of nationalism and his conservative opinions about India's tradition. So what is the idiom? The idiom here is admiration for. Let's look at the answer options. We have admiration for and admiration of. So which one is right? Let's explore further. I have admiration for Abraham Lincoln. We were filled with admiration for him. If you observe, Lincoln is a person, him is a person. Whenever we are referring to a person, use admiration for. Helen welcomed Natasha and was loud in admiration of her beauty. Now, beauty is a quality. When we are referring to a quality, use admiration of. Let's go back to the question. Am I referring to a quality or a person? I'm referring to a person. So it should be admiration for. Option D and option E are eliminated because I'm using of. Admiration of, that's wrong. Now I have option A, B and C. Let's focus on the second error. Can you observe a sentence structure here? An idiomatic sentence structure. Gandhi the person and also as a politician. X and Y. In option B, as a person and as a politician. In option C, not only as a person but also. Now this is what I meant by idiomatic sentence structures. The second element which you should focus on. Here, both the structures have to be parallel. The person and also as a politician. Are they parallel? No. So option A is eliminated. As a person and as a politician? Yes, that's parallel. Not only as a person and as a politician, but Tagore was. Are these structures parallel? No. So option C is eliminated. Option B is my right answer. So I'm going to take you through 13 idioms along with the meanings and the usage. Pause the video, copy the sentences. Please subscribe to this channel. Lots of interesting videos are put up. This is the first of the idiom series. If you need any help with respect to the GMAT, mentoring or a study plan, get in touch with me. My email ID is here. Let's start. Idiom 1. Debate on. A contention by words or arguments. Let's look at an example. If they are debating on their different political views, this could go on all night. So, debate on a topic. It can't be debate of, debate in. That's wrong. Idiom 2. Debate with someone about something. The meaning? To enter into a long and disciplined discussion on a particular subject with someone. Our team debated with the other team about the chances for world peace. So debated with the team about the chances. I'm sure you're getting the flow here. Idiom 3. Debate over a topic. Let's look at an example. We had a debate over where to go on a vacation. Responsibility 2. I take my responsibility to you and our children seriously. Responsibility to something or somebody. Idiom 4. Responsible for. Who do we hold responsible for this blunder? It means being the cause or explanation. Idiom 6. A result of. Something that results as its consequence is a meaning. The book is the result of years of hard work and dedication. So the result is a book. It's because of the hard work and dedication. A result of. Idiom 7. A sequence of. A continuous or connected series. The sequence of events that unfolded shocked all of us. Idiom 8. A consequence. As a result of something specified. Hundreds of people became sick as a consequence of the poor sanitary conditions. Idiom 9. Acclaimed as. Enthusiastically praised. An address delivered to them at this crisis by Ambrose led to his being acclaimed as the only competent occupant of the ship. So, acclaimed as is the usage. Accompanied by. To go with as an associate or a companion. She is accompanied by actors Lupita and Josh. Idiom 11. Adapted to. Generally means that something has changed to fit its own environment. The soil is well adapted to the growing of the wheat. Adapted for. The teeth are sharp and adapted for an activity. Suggest changes made to something by someone else. Twice as many. Idiom 13. Remember that many is used for countable nouns. He doesn't have as many collection stamps as you have. So that's it, folks. Any help? Get in touch with me. Thank you.